Hi guys, I hope you're doing well. I bought this from Amazon. I have this brand. This is testing one of the good quality. Here you have a red and blue, cold and hot, and it's comes with this stuff. Quality is very good. I will update my experience after using it. And totally, as you can see, I can show back of this. As you can see, the water how it goes through there from the air, the white part can go from sorry, the red, the out blue in, and the white. I think there is just for safety. I should check, but the quality seems good, and I will update in the comment. Thank you for watching. Bye.